In this video, we will be showing you how to assemble Toyogo's 4-tier DIY shelving. Before we begin, open up the package. Inside the package, these are the items you will find. Proceed with the build, starting off with the base rack. Flip the rack over and lay it on the ground with the solid side facing down. Insert the stoppers into the slots and repeat this step for the slots at every corner. Proceed on to assembling the individual racks with the remaining items. For the top rack, take note that the covers can be removed from the bottom. The cover can be easily installed back as shown. Flip the rack over and install the fitting tubes into the slots with the thicker side. To ensure a smooth connection, angle the tube at a degree and push it into the slot. Insert the rest of the tubes into the remaining slots. Once done, set the rack aside and repeat this step for the remaining two racks. Lastly, assemble everything all together to build the shelf. Lay the base rack assembled earlier onto the ground and insert the individual racks as shown. Ensure the top rack with covers is assembled last. And with that, Toyogo's 4-tier DIY shelving is now completed. Organizing your items have never been easier and you can put just about anything. It is durable and strong enough to withstand even the weight of a person. Thank you for watching.
Toyogo, we cater to all your needs.